Hello friends, welcome to Global English Talk.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Sarah. Thank you so much for listening today.
We are very happy you're here.
Today's topic is ordering food at a restaurant.
This is very useful English.
Yes, you can use this English when you travel, when you go out, or when you eat with friends.
Don't worry, this lesson is easy.
Beginner-friendly English. Slow speaking, many repeats.
Let's start learning English together.
Tom, do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Friends, listen carefully. A restaurant is a place where you eat food.
When you go to a restaurant, you see a menu.
A menu is a list of food and drinks.
Tom, what do you say when you arrive?
I say,
Good job! Let's learn important restaurant words. Restaurant, place to eat. Menu, list of food. Table, place to sit.
waiter/waitress, person who helps you order. Ask for. Food bill, paper with the price.
Very good! Now friends, repeat after me. I go to a restaurant. I look at the menu. I sit at a table. I order food.
Great, now repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? I would like pizza. Water, please. Thank you.
Excellent pronunciation. Tom, how do we order food politely?
We say, I would like.
Very important sentence.
Example, I would like chicken, please.
Friends, repeat. I would like.
Sarah, what would you like?
I would like pasta and juice.
That sounds delicious.
Now let's do a short role play.
Okay, I am the waiter. Sarah is the customer. Hello, welcome to the restaurant.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can I see the menu?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. I would like a burger, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Okay, 1 burger and 1 water.
Thank you very much. Now let's hear a short story.
This is about our friend Anna.
Anna goes to a restaurant on Friday.
She sits at a table.
She looks at the menu.
Anna says, I would like rice and fish.
She drinks orange juice.
After eating, Anna feels happy.
She says, the food is very good. Tom, how do we ask for the bill?
We say, Can I have the bill, please?
Friends, bill means the paper with the price.
You can also say, Check, please.
Both are correct. Let's practice together. I am hungry. I would like food. The food is good.
Great, now repeat. I like this restaurant. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you very much.
Amazing work today.
Let's review today's lesson.
Vocabulary: restaurant, menu, order, waiter, bill.
Important phrases. Can I see the menu, please? I would like water, please. Can I have the bill, please?
You learned a lot today.
Thank you so much for listening to Global English Talk.
We are happy to learn English with you.
Please remember to like, subscribe, share this podcast.
And write a comment below.
Now, our question of the day.
What food do you like to order at a restaurant?
Pizza? Rice? Burger?
Write your answer in the comments.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.